Hello everyone, welcome back to another Filmora tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to reverse a video in Filmora. I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Filmora. Filmora is now open. Step 2. Upload any footage. I've got some footage here that I want to reverse. It's a clip of someone running forward, and we want to make it look like they're running backward. So, let's start by dragging this clip into our media library. Step 3. Reverse video. Now, let's take this clip and drop it onto our timeline. We can adjust the timeline to make the clip fit perfectly. Let's play it to see what we have right now. But as you can see, the runner is still moving forward. To make this runner move backward, you can either right-click on the clip and select Speed and Duration. Once you do that, a window will pop up with some speed options. The speed is currently set to normal, but to reverse the video, click on the Reverse option. After that, click OK. Now, if we go back to the beginning and play the video again, you'll see that the runner is now moving backward. It's that simple. And there you have it. That's how you quickly reverse a video in Filmora. It's a straightforward and awesome feature to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.